Order filled.
Had a big move up with a nice arrow right here that I didn't take, and then a couple of inside candles, and then a sell signal with a sell line here for our first trade of the day. Pre-market here. It's pre-market West Coast time, Pacific time zone here. Now it's
Stop filled.
coming back on me, so I want to lock in.
Order
I'm going to
submitted.
take this trade
Order
again.
filled.
Stick around to the end, see if I make my goal of $1,000 to $2,000. I'm pretty sure that I will. I do usually most days. Here's the arrow. Here's another sell line. Multiple sell signals here. You could even take a breakout here if that happens. If we look at the backdoor, we have the same signal here. We had great signal here on the backdoor earlier this morning. Some of the signals are the same on both indicators, but some are different. All right, I'm going to lock in because I'm not liking it too much, and I want to start my day out good.
Stop filled.
All right, starting the day out, 365. That's not bad. Huge move up today, 5:30 a.m. Pacific time. All the indicators so far this morning, huge buy right here, a nice sell right here, a sell right here
Order
happening.
canceled.
You could have taken the breakout here of this red line. Nothing here. Good sell, breakout of the signal candle here we didn't take. A lot of good signals. Now as price pulls back, I could get in on this sell right here if I want to.
Order submitted.
Here was the sell here. Here's a breakout of the signal candle here, kind of where this sell line is. I didn't get it on the first go around, but if it comes back
Order filled.
through like it's doing right now, I'll get in and see if I can make a little money off of it. I should have got in the first time. All right, next candle has opened. Still in this trade. Let's see if it comes down to this area here. We do have a buy alert on it. Doesn't mean anything right now. I'm going to lock in a little bit because I don't like that green dot looking at me. I'll take what I can get out of this. Again, if you like this sort of thing, like and subscribe so you can see more of these videos.
Stop filled.
Alright, still made money on it. We didn't take it the first time around like I should have. I waited till it pulled back, got in again, and then scalped a little bit off of these signals here, which is breakout of the signal candle, and then this sell signal here. Nothing but great signals so far today. Everything has been a winner.
Order submitted.
All right, here's a little arrow. I'll take it right at the breakout of this candle here. Had a couple of buy alerts over here.
Order filled.
Okay, we're filled using this small arrow breakout of the previous candle here. Let's see if this amounts to anything. Hopefully going back up. Right, a new candle has opened here. Still in this trade, going long. Going in my direction now. And I'm almost at my $1,000 goal for the morning before the market even opens.
Stop filled.
All right, 724.
Order filled.
Getting back in again, break out of the signal candle. Just a little bit past the signal candle. I think it's got some upside. I'm going to lock in here. It's getting close to the New York Open. Take what I can get.
Stop filled.
All right, 752 so far. Most everything's working so far today. Price hung around at this line for about 15 minutes until it finally broke through to the upside. Good trade here. Good signal break here. Just about all winners so far today. And had I stayed in this longer, probably would have been met my goal. So look at the winner that this little arrow produced. I could have got a lot more on that.
Order submitted.
Same sell line right here.
Order filled.
Huge move down, and we grabbed that with that sell line. Risk-free trade for me already. I moved my stop in. Again, if you like this sort of thing, I do this every day. These same moves happen every day. The signals work every day. Share this video. And I met my target for today already before the market even opens in 2
Stop
minutes.
filled.
All right, up 1600. This is all pre-market. New York market hasn't even opened. So I'm done before the market even opens in New York. Stick around and I'm going to show you how to make even more money. So here's the ultimate backdoor indicator on 5-minute candles. Yes, it was designed for the 5-minute candle. There is not one losing trade here. This is 5:30 in the morning Pacific time. So I'm really not concerned with much back here. But look at here, 5:30. Now these are the backdoor lines here. And Ultimate AI Pro has similar but not the same lines. They're different on Pro and in Backdoor. Ultimate AI Plus is different as well. Not one loser. Look, this is huge. This is huge. This line here is huge. This line here, huge. There's also the arrows here, yeah. But Backdoor is mainly these lines. And it's just simple. You take the break out of them. If it's red, you sell. If it's green, you buy. So let's wait around for the next backdoor and finish my day. Okay, here's the possible first backdoor trade after the New York Open right here. I'm going to put my line right here. I'm going to put my buy right on that green line.
Order filled.
Okay, we did get filled on this first backdoor after the New York Open. Pretty sure it's going to be a winner. It usually is. You'll notice I did place an order without a stop or take profit. I'm going to put that in shortly.
Order submitted.
All right, I can make it risk-free at any time. I do want to get my goal of $2,000. There it is. And if I get stopped out, that's
Order
fine.
filled.
Over $2,000 for the day. You've seen everything I've taken. Look at every single backdoor is a winner. This indicator does not repaint. These lines are there for good. I really can't make it any easier. Pretty happy with this, but there may be some upside still left in this.
Order filled.
So I'm going to get back in here, and this will probably be my last trade for the day. Here's Ultimate AI Pro. Gives you a different signal. It's going to give you an arrow. Does not give you the backdoor line right here. So you can use them both together.
Order submitted.
I'll make it risk-free and well above my goal for the day. It just blows my mind that there are traders out there not using these indicators and systems. It just blows my mind. Unreal. If you like this sort of thing, like and subscribe, leave me a comment, shoot me a text message. We have a wonderful trading group. The signals work. You've seen everything I've taken today. This is the ultimate backdoor I'm showing you today. It's been out for a while. It's amazing. It's a customer favorite. Although Ultimate AI Pro is right there with it, with amazing signals. You can get them both together in a
Order
package.
filled.
All right, 2,500 bucks for the day. This is the first backdoor after the New York Open. This one was right pre-market, huge move down. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this.